Alright, I am Nifty Thrifty Girl, and this is another machine that we're offering you today. Check out this and other machines on eBay as we service, restore, and sell vintage machines. This is a nice Morse. Very nice. Very clean. Looks like a brand new machine. It has a few built-in stitches. It has straight, zigzag, 3-point zigzag, blind, and 2 stretch stitches, as well as automatic buttonholer. This is your pattern selector. This is your stitch width. This is your stitch length. This is your reverse, and this is your feed dog drop here. And of course, bobbin winder on the top. It is double needle capable. It is a low shank machine. Comes with a snap-on foot, and there are some other feet included: buttonhole foot, straight foot, button sewing foot. There's a zipper foot, and this is a double needle in here in the little foil pack. And this is a seam guide, and it comes with some other vintage sewing goodies. There's some clear thread, there's some belt buckles and buttons and pins and seam binding and different things. Now, I'm not sure of the model. I'm going to look for a manual download and point you in that direction. I do not have a manual for this, but I have high hopes of finding one and pointing you towards the download. Uses class 15 bobbins, of course. It's got the same dimensions as a Singer or most any other machine, so you can put it in a universal carrying case, or it can be put in a vintage Singer cabinet. Freshly serviced and ready to go. Very nice machine. Now, the cam stacks are plastic. The gears are metal. Everything's been checked out inside. Everything is in good shape. There are no cracks in the cam stacks. There's a cam stack like in this area, and there's a cam stack here. There is a picture up above included of the interior view of the top, so you can see the 2 cam stacks. But everything's in good condition. It's a beautiful, beautiful machine. Didn't see much use at all. Okay, here we go. Start with a straight stitch. It is a left homing machine. The needle homes on the left-hand side. It's not a center homing like you would think. It's kind of weird. Matter of fact, I might have to give you a left homing double needle because of that, now that I think about it. Check into that. Zigzag. Hear it there. It doubled the fabric, and you could hear it changing. Let's go up to a stretch stitch. Stretch a reverse stitch. See, it's a nice working machine. I'm going to run it through 5 layers of denim. And this is Levi's denim. It's not just some chintzy denim. It's actual Levi's. I folded 5 times. 5 layers. I'm using a 16 needle. And a crimp needle. Let's see. Nope. But I did put a burr on the end. Oh yeah. So that's easy to take care of. Just going to put another one in. No big deal. Make sure that one's okay. Seems to be. Bird needle is your worst enemy. Okay, and we're going to continue on. I'm going to do a couple layers of leather. It's just regular garment leather, nothing industrial or super strong like saddles or anything like that. What's going on? Let's see. not liked it for a minute. There's your leather. And that is your Morse. Not sure the model number, but I will get on that. Morse vintage sewing.